Welcome to Monotech. Today we're going to talk about the Siemens Operating Panel. This is the most common failure that we see for the Siemens Operating Panel, and that is a worn out touchscreen. So the touchscreen isn't worn out because of somebody touching it too many times. It's because people are grabbing their screwdriver out of their pocket and poking a hole in it. This sample that we have here is a 5-wire touchscreen, so it actually has a plastic overlay on the front. It's not like your phone that has glass. So when people grab their screwdriver and they touch it, they wear the part out. So our suggestion on what to do is you have a stylus hanging off the side of your machine. So if somebody's wearing gloves, they, instead of grabbing that screwdriver out of their pocket, they're gonna grab the stylus and touch those small little points that they wanna touch. And they won't wear out their screen. And ideally, this is designed for your finger. So it's a push to touch. It doesn't, you can still use gloves, you can use any device. So there's our simple tips for keeping your touchscreen lasting longer, your Siemens Operating Panel. You're using your finger, you're using a stylus, you're not using screwdrivers. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video.
Monotech, leading name for industrial display solutions in the world market today. Proudly providing solutions for all your industrial display needs for hundreds of legacy controllers. Visit us at monotech.com. Thank you.